Ew, ew, ew.
Ew, ew, ew. See it?
Let's see.
What do you want to tell it?
I see that the tree is I'm over in a rainforest.
You know, that's the best way to look, is just to experience things with our eyes. All right, awesome. Everyone say hi.
Hi! Rainforest!
This is the best?
Did you say that?
Yep.
Yes.
Cold water. Brr.
Warm.
Warm.
Look how dirty my rack is.
Watch the wood go down there.
Oh, there goes the wood. Oh, no, go deeper.
Okay.
Especially where the circles are.
Ooh.
Whoa, that's a big tree.
Wow. Look at that tree.
Wait, what tree? That one. Look at that tree.
Hold up the camera.
We're in the Kempton Forest. Hey, Mom, do you want a picture? And then it makes it more cleaner.
It's nice rock. It's nice dirt rock. It's very clean. You clean it off very well. You gotta add that to your rock collection.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good rock.
First time.
You have more silly faces? Oh, that's a silly face too. Are you doing all the different silly faces you know? Yeah. Lots of silly faces. Oh,
This is my board face.
Oh yeah. Is this boring?
That's
Bored face. Okay. Here, Madeline, just wait. Well, I'll take you up this after this, okay? You can come to me. All right, where are we, girls? On a log?
You want to fall in. Yeah.
I think this is this.
Remember, all you do is get wet.
On my hand. You see all the different moss, the algae in the water. All that. You see where the tree is broken a little bit in the middle right here.
Yeah.
Coming up on it, we're just about here. You can stand a little better right here.
Ooh, that looks like it's cool to sit on.
Okay, passive aggressive, I guess.
That way.
Wow. Whoa, watch out for the trees. Whoa.